Hi, this is Eric. Today we are providing a response to a regular question we get, asking how do compressed earth bricks react to being exposed to water. So we are running a series of tests where we will immerse the bricks into water for 2 days, 5 days, and 9 days, and see how each of the soaked bricks react to being tested. So we'll be back again 2 days time from today, 12th September 2025. It's Eric here once again. After 2 days, we are here to run the test on our first soaked brick. Before then, we'll run the same test on our dry brick. So our first test is going to be the tap test or the impact test. I'm going to hit this brick here with the mallet. Let's see what happens to the brick. The second test is a drop test. I'm going to drop this brick from this height. Let's see what happens to the brick. Our last test is going to be a weight test. I'm going to put each of these blocks on this brick. Each weighs 24 kg. We left this for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take the blocks off. Let's see the results. We can see that our brick is still in a good condition after the 3 tests. Now it's time for us to run the same test on our first soaked brick. Follow me. We are going to do the same tap or impact test on the soaked brick. Let's see if it also withstands the impact. 1, 2, 3. We are doing the same drop test for the soaked brick. Let's see what happens to the brick. We are going to repeat the same weight test we did on the dry brick. You can see from here that our brick is still in good condition. It's day 5 and we are going to run the same test on the second soaked brick. We are performing the same impact test on our second soaked brick. Let's see what happens to the brick. So now, let's see what happens after the drop test. Now, to our last test, which is the weight test. I'm going to place 2 blocks, which each weighs 24 kg, on the brick for 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. we can see that our brake is still in a very good condition after the 3 test. It's day 9 and we are going to run our last test on our soaked brake. We are doing the same impact test on our last brake. Let's see what happens to this brake also. So now, to our drop test. Let's see what happens to the brake. Now to our last test, which is the weight test. I'm going to put 2 of these 24 kg blocks on the brake. Let's observe what happens to the brake. So after 10 minutes, this is how our brake still looks like. So you can tell for yourself that after the various days, soaking these brakes in water and running the 3 test, we can see that our brakes are still in good condition. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram at @NoBrakes or check our website at @nobrakes.com.